In this video, I'm going to be doing some easy and inexpensive customizing to my Ford Bronco Sport Badlands. Follow along, I'll show you step by step on what I'm doing, and hopefully by the end of the video, you'll be thinking about customizing your own Badlands. It's cool to be driving around in these vehicles and have things that are different than everybody else. So let's check it out. Alright, so in the rear of the vehicle, on the rear hatch, we have this ugly looking Ford emblem, and that's what we're going to be changing out. Right, to remove an emblem like this, you can use one of these trim removal tools. It's plastic. It comes down to a really fine edge and allows you to get underneath the emblem and pop it off. Now that the emblem is off, don't worry about these holes. They'll get covered up. I need to remove some of this adhesive and whatever's left on here. You can use this Goo Gun. This is adhesive remover and it's paint safe. So you can just spray it onto like a paper towel and then just rub it all around and it's going to take off the adhesive. I have this area all cleaned up. There is no more residue on there. We're ready for the new emblem. This is what the new emblem looks like. It's got 3M tape on the back. We'll peel that off and put it in place. And that's all there is to it, guys. Little things like this make your vehicle your own. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.